Okay, cool. That's good. First up is a data. Hi, Tanner. That was. Sorry about that, Tanner. Let's see. R Pyquan. Pyquan. Oh my god. Still a little sick. So, machine learning. Yeah, machine learning's gotta be it. Learning AI. Da, 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 da. Python R. Okay, here's where Panda and Skikit. Okay. Understanding of modeling, experimental design. What else is there? Hadoop, Spark, okay, that's fine. I know there's one that I'm missing. This is definitely going to be the complex one, though. Yeah, present complex technical concept to non-technical stakeholders. That one I absolutely knew. Is that visible? It's a little visible. Cool. Go. I had to do a test. I'm gonna leave like one or two more of these for this data scientist, and then I'm gonna actually go for it. Oh, SQL. There we go. I missed SQL and cloud. This is why we. Well, no, I have SQL, but I forgot cloud and CI/CD. All right, so one more, and then we can do this. Yep, here it is. Data visualization. So we're going to put that there. I think most of that is good. And yeah, that seems good. Anybody got any questions before I start with the first resume? I'm still sick, so this will be an interesting one, but we will be missing obvious things, but your real recruiter may be sick too. So if you can get past a sick recruiter, then good job. You super succeeded. So, all right, that's good. Is there anything this person needed me to know? Okay, nothing really. Okay. We have a data scientist. Also, I am still sick, so if your resume can get past a sick recruiter, more power to you. That's actually even better. And truthfully, the real recruiter who's doing this might be sick. They might be distracted. They might have stuff going on at home. That's not okay. Shouldn't let it affect the work, but, humans happen. And it's important that your resume can be so obvious that it can get past somebody who is, like right now, super distracted and tired and exhausted and sick. So, data scientists applied to 50 positions. That is a ratio 50-1, which is okay. I think that's, again, the bare minimum, unless you're a fresher or recent grad, or, like, need immigration services or something. But what we're going to be looking for is R, Python, SQL, cloud, machine learning, and truthfully any other type of AI. So, pandas, NumPy, skitlearn, modeling, hypothesis testing, experimental design, visualization tools, Cassandra, Hadoop, Spark, Tableau, CI/CD, and arguably one of the most important qualifications that I feel like a lot of things are missing, especially in this type of role, is explaining complex topics to non-technical stakeholders. So, with extra ado, let's look at this resume. They've got a master's, which is common. I don't know if this is needed. I mean, obviously, you could keep the bachelor's. That's fine. but I don't know if you really need to keep the relevant coursework. Let's see, data science co-op. I know co-ops are not internships, but for simplicity's sake, you may want to write that more as like an internship, because it's possible the recruiter may not know what a co-op is. Served as an AI consultant enhancing data amenability. Jeez, that's a tough word to say. Identifying opportunities for impactful AI projects, developing POC models, and communicating business needs and technical requirements of AI projects with internal and external teams. This is almost good. I need this to be a little bit dumbed down. I need this to be a little bit dumbed down, but overall this is an okay one. Accelerated product development timelines for 30% of future innovations. Okay, through the application of machine learning. You have machine learning, that's good. Develop proof of concept. Okay, so this is good that you have the acronym and then you explain what the acronym is. This is actually perfect in how I want people to do it, but your first use of POC is here. So you need to use this up here and then use the regular POC down here. Models using Python, collaborating with R&D needs use cases, IS entry flow, optimized process, develop, blah, blah, leveraged, okay, so this isn't great, but it's not terrible. Again, I'm missing... Python is here, truthfully. I think you want to try to shoehorn that into the first sentence. Same with SQL, same with any type of cloud. You have absolutely enough AI. I wouldn't really change anything there. Also, there's a plane that now people can hear. But I am missing visualization tools. I'm very much missing this, which is explaining complex technical topics to non-technical stakeholders. So I don't think this is like a failure, but you're definitely missing some stuff. And I'm going to assume that you probably had that, but you know, I'd like a little bit more of Python or R, a little bit of cloud, a little bit more of pandas or NumPy, along with Tableau, and primarily this, which is explaining complex topics to non-technical people. It says stakeholder, but if you've never explained it to a stakeholder, that's also okay. But like, you know, teaching others how to do it, that kind of thing. So there's a lot of AI. Oh, and I see AWS here, which is solid. So that does take care of the cloud. But yeah, I'm missing a little bit of this. I don't think it's bad. I think you could probably definitely get some interviews with this. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else. But yeah, that's mainly it. I think it passes because it has sort of the bare minimum, but you can definitely make this more legible and a little bit more of the keywords. So, and again, I'm sick right now, so you have to get past a sick recruiter, which is tougher, but you know, it needs to scream data scientist, which is, it mostly does. I just think you're missing a little bit of the basics on there. And I think people get confused because they're like, well, of course everybody's done it. It's obvious. Like, why are you looking to determine someone's success based on that? And the truth of recruitment is we don't really determine how good you are based as the resume. That's not what the resume is for. The resume is specifically for you meeting the bare minimums to move forward to the next step. And I do not see those bare minimums here. I see enough of them that I could maybe squeeze you in, but I need more to make it easier. So yeah, C minus for this, passes, but barely. And I don't think changing it will take too long, though, to get it way up there. But overall, at least your formatting is really good. So, next, resume. Okay, what is the next one? 57.3. This is a nightmare, and I hate this. But I did do data scientist, so I do want to actually keep that keyword there. So these are going to be here. Keywords. Data scientist. There we go. Is there a way for me to shrink this? Tools, blah, blah, blah. Why do they never give me the full thing? Where is this? There it is. Task. So that's good. Now we can move on to the next one. Just checking if the sound is good here. So I hope it is. It should be. I'm always nervous about sound. All right, data scientist. All right, full stack software engineer. Good. Let me know. Full stack is this, that, over here. Okay. Yeah, that was it. That was easy. All right, targeting big fang. Or Mang. I hate the acronyms. All right. This is a full stack. Thank you. You told me what you are. I really appreciate that. That sounded sarcastic, but I really mean it. It's like software engineers. It's very beneficial to know what you are. So they've applied to 100 positions. That is a ratio 100 to 1, which isn't good. They are targeting Fang or Mang, which is the new age Fang. I hate that acronym. It sounds horrible, but it stands for like Meta, Apple, Amazon. Is it still Netflix and Google? Maybe it's something else, but yeah. So they're basically doing very, very big tech. And I mean, honestly, I'm not a Fang or whatever recruiter. I've recruited definitely a lot of IT, but you know, they probably have their own weird little systems of how they work. So, although I do know one or two people that have recruited for there. So, what we're going to be looking for as a general rule in full stack is TypeScript, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, Node, Angular, SQL, React, API, REST, Cloud, Agile, CI/CD, and any extra languages or AI is always beneficial. So, immediately what I hate about this is it's double column. Your formatting is a nightmare. That's bad. So the reason formatting is bad, because I don't know if I really explained this a lot in some of the other videos, is recruiters have 15 to 30 seconds to find what they need. And when your formatting's bad, their eyes are going to jump to something that is incorrect. I don't need to see this. This doesn't matter. None of that matters right here because it's not in bullet points. This, I'd have to search down. And when they struggle to search and they struggle to find, that is time taken away. And time taken away from your resume is not good time spent. So, single column, double column is always bad. I don't know of a single case where double column made something better. So single column resume, keep your formatting. I don't know what formatting this is, but it's not good. So don't do that formatting. Just basic Arial 10.5, stop bolding everything. So developed an integration adapter microservice. Microservice is one, that's good. Which I should have put in, but it's not in there, but it is still one. Services. Led the migration of DocuSign to REST API architecture. That is solid. I don't know why you did Meta Field Mark certified. I don't care about that. Maybe if you're Meta, that's fine, but you know, achieve 30K cost savings by limiting the need for DocuSign in premise. There's a lot of stuff involving DocuSign in this. Resulted a what do you mean resulted a more? That's resulted a more cost-efficient pay-as-you-go API model with an expected cost reduction. Again, API, that's fine. Design the meta mark. Okay, this doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Proof of concept doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Does it like this is all about the DocuSign thing. Like, okay, tech stack, Java, Spring, okay, cool. It's good that you have it, so at least we know this is what the tech stack is. But like, this reads the JavaScript definitely does read full stack, but truthfully, this has more of in line with a back-end Java engineer than full stack. I do know the JavaScript usually makes it more full stack, but typically JavaScript, CSS, HTML, Node, Angular, and TypeScript. TypeScript is the most popular one right now. Is gonna be that. So then we're gonna do this, which is big tech. This is such a nightmare to read. Work in the vendor, blah, blah, blah. Don't care. AWS, there we go. Okay. I have to go all the way down here to find AWS. I don't think this would pass. I don't think so. And I think that's why you're having the ratio that you're having, which is double check, yeah, 100 to 1, is the formatting's awful. The actual bullet points are mid. They're not terrible. I don't want to say like there's nothing there. I found APIs. I found cloud, although the cloud is all the way down here, which is possible a recruiter may not see. So I need you to go back to the basics and put these in here. And I get you're proud of the DocuSign, and you can have like 1 or 2 bullet points on it, but DocuSign is not going to be one of the big keywords. You can have a bullet point or 2 on it because it leads into the others, but like everything here, and there's the meta field mark simple. Again, not very, maybe that's very impressive, but the recruiter's not going to know what it is. So I could probably move you forward with this, I will say, because you have a large amount of experience and you have some of it, but I could also see a lot of recruiters not even getting to that point and declining you. So again, this is another like barely pass. Just squeaked by here, but you don't need to have this. Like you could, formatting alone will give you higher chances of getting it. And this stuff needs to be here, right? It needs to be in the bullet points. And I would, if this is the only time you used AWS, I would move this up to like here, just so it's not hidden. So yeah, barely passes, but yeah, really got to fix the formatting. All it's doing is hurting you. So let's go to the next resume. Oh, hey Goblin Scribe, I am currently under the weather. I got a booster shots recently, so yeah. I got booster shots, and it is messing with me. Is this, let me just make sure I'm actually recording correctly. So, give me a second. Sorry about this, y'all. I just want to make sure this is right, because I can't always tell. So you're about to hear some echoes. Okay, cool. That's working. Good. I'll turn back on music. But yeah, Goblin, I am under the weather. So, it is. Like, I'm not, I expected this, and truthfully, this is much less than it was the other times. But yeah, I got the flu and the COVID booster on Sunday. So, yeah. So I got them both at the same time, so I knew I would be in trouble. It was very much expected. Honestly, compared to what it used to be, it's not nearly as bad. And I've had COVID before, like actual COVID, and that is brutal. So I am definitely happy to get a little bit sick compared to as sick as I was. But yeah, the last booster came out in like November, and I just delayed too long on getting it. So, like, I think I got COVID like 2 weeks before the new booster came out. So I was like, well, I can wait a little bit. So, okay, what is the next? How have you been, Goblin? Also, I'm very good as well, because I proposed to my girlfriend on Saturday, and she said yes. So, I am now a fiancé. Also, this person put their full information, so give me a second. Thank you. Yeah, I am pretty darn happy. So, all right, there we go. Let's move this down. And let's go back. I pulled a Kansas City shuffle on her, which I'm actually proud. I legitimately pulled a Kansas City shuffle. I have wanted to pull a Kansas City shuffle forever, and I did it, and it was perfect, and she didn't expect anything. So, I've had a busy January, been getting back to applying. Yeah, same. Like, I would have had a busy one, and I still am busy, but most of my contacts are in California, and I didn't want to hit them up while the fire was raging, so... So a Kansas City Shuffle is... Let's see, software engineering intern, this is what that is. A Kansas City Shuffle is where when you make them think that this is the con, but this is actually the con. So what I made her think was that I was going to throw her a surprise on our trip to Mexico, which we're going on in a couple of weeks. So I tricked her into thinking that instead of this last Saturday, in a couple of weeks, I'd be proposing there. so she was fully expecting it to be there, while I've been working behind the scenes to make it so that we were viewing one of the venues, and I got the staff involved and they helped me, and then I proposed to her there with her family on video phone and a couple of my friends that have helped. So that is a Kansas City shuffle. You make them think you know what the con is, and they think they're aware, but the actual con is something else. So yeah, it was great though. I'm really happy. It was amazing. So I'm pretty happy with those results, and now I am officially engaged. So, and then I took the flu and COVID booster the day after. So, Bear's in his favorite spot every time. I want to know why this is his favorite spot. Every time. Bear. He's kind of moving, but he's not going to care. All right. So yeah, I tricked her, and it was great. I actually made her think that everybody forgot about the day, and then they all surprised her with it. So she was like, "What the hell?" Yeah, Bear's doing well. So he's still healthy. He's good. I know, buddy. Hi, you came to see me. Hello, sweetie. Yeah. Goblin said hi, and you immediately came by. So, alright, this is interns. I know what interns be do. So, yeah, that's all. I've been doing this, and then recruiting is starting to actually kick in, but again, like, it's typically they don't do agency right away. Like, January is the biggest hiring boom, but like, it's really more, I think, in the month or two when they start hiring at agency as much, because they can't find who they need typically. So man, cannot get this chair to work today. So, because yeah, you only really, like, nobody wants to work with an agency recruiter. You work because you have to. In fact, not a lot of people like working with internal recruiters either. I ended most of my manager calls with, "There's your hire. I hope you're satisfied, and I hope you never get to see me again." So, because it's, even with a great recruiter, it's still stressful to hire. They just don't like it. Nobody likes it except us. So, oh, this is your resume. Okay, Frozen. All right. So, how this is going? Also, I am sick, and you put your whole information on, so I can't go lower than this. Is I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna pretend like you're not here. And then after this, we can go over and change some stuff, okay? So, that's how we're gonna do it. Again, still sick, so bear with me. Vice and move the education. Okay, good. Alright, so now I'm gonna pretend you're not here. You submitted 2. Please review this one. This is the one you wanted me to review, right? I think it is. Not the other one. So, I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds. But yeah, after this stream, I may end exactly on, like, at the 2-hour mark for this stream, maybe 2.5, because my friends are we're gonna play Arkham Horror, the card game, tonight, and I love that game. So, and I told them that sometime after 5, and they know I'm streaming, so they can yell at me to get off. So, but yeah, okay. So don't worry, it happens, Frozen. That is why I'm here, so you can make good mistakes, so you don't make them during the actual thing. Although you would be submitting this as the actual thing. So, all right, 75 to 1. Okay. Just a quick question, Frozen. Are you applying in the U.S. or are you applying in India? I just want to make sure I know, because again, I'm a U.S. recruiter. I don't know the India's recruitment scene, and I only say that because it's here. Oh crud, we have an ad in 5 minutes. Okay, well, that's fine. I will kill time for a minute. No, I will snooze the ad. This doesn't usually take longer than 8 minutes. All right, we're snoozing. All right, let's go. Brain is so fried. Okay, international. Got it. All right, and we begin. We have got a software engineering intern. So, as per usual with internships, we're really going to be looking for a basic knowledge of the tech stack and the ability to work with others and take direction criticism. The person who submitted this resume is actually in chat right now, so they let me know that they actually changed a couple of things, but it took me a while to get to this resume, so their education should be up at the top. Also, they forgot and they put their full information, so I can't scroll up, but let's begin. So, programming language. See, I'm not a huge fan of skill sections, and if you do have them, 3 lines. So this is a little too long. Then the formatting of this is a little off as well. This you could save space, but let's look at this one. So, yeah, because the formatting in this is off. But again, like, there's degrees of bad, and this type of formatting error, while not good, is not like a deal breaker. So it's still legible, which is fine. It's just slightly less than it could be. But migrated multiple pages of web applications to React, program SQL queries to handle millions of rows, implemented to retrieval, collaborated with a team of... So, right idea. It's not quite there, and this is something I can work on you after work with you after this video is recorded, but you're missing a couple of the basics, mainly your primary coding language. Also, this needs to be 1 sentence. Every bullet point needs to be a singular sentence, and I think you did have the right idea with this, but this is actually a much more important sentence than I think you may think it is. So instead of like collaborated with, we really want to show how you worked with them, how you took criticism, that kind of thing. So next one, associate software engineer, develop features for Java and Python based microservices. Good. Microservices applications hosting on AWS, Kubernetes, perfect. Outlined architecture and built a streaming data platform using PySpark and Databricks. Yeah. Good. I actually don't need to read too much more. This is pretty good. Again, formatting wise, this is a little off, and I think you need SQL. No, you have SQL up here. Yeah, this is pretty solid. Designed and engineered, a real fed for paperwork, formatting. Okay, what am I even missing here? No, it's pretty solid. So, we're going to scroll down and we can't go back up. So, going down, you did tell me the education would be at the top. That's fine. And yeah, I think it's really just this is we need to work on it because this is a little anemic. I don't know if that's the right way to say that, but overall most of this is pretty good over here. I think it's just formatting issues. Projects, AWS, yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. We have API maybe is missing, but and then you have patents, which is, again, I'm not going to understand this, but the manager might, so it's fine to keep it on here. And awards and honors, maybe you want to put that in the education too. So yeah, overall, I can see this moving forward, especially if we fix this stuff. Admittedly, internships are very tough, so a 50-to-1 ratio for internships is good. But since you already have a 75-to-1, I think that means you're ahead of the game. And I agree based on this. The actual bullet points are solid, it's just a formatting issue. So I would say overall, this is like a B-, and we can take it to like a B+ to A- with formatting. So good job. Now I'm going to actually work with you in chat how to fix this, which is what I do on the stream if you stop by, is after the resume I can wordsmith this and make it more correct. So good job. Bart to Buck, how would I find my resume review on YouTube? I know it hasn't happened. You message me the date that you did it, or I can whisper you and you whisper me the email and I can search via that. That's actually the whole reason I have people submit via email, so I can find it. So, yeah, so I think formatting wise is one of your biggest issues here. Example me how to mention Jira and Scrum. Not, if you're going for internship, I don't know if Jira and Scrum is as needed. So my biggest issue is like this. Right? So this one, let's see, do I actually have a thing to do this? Let me go back to this. I had a writing page before. Okay. Let me go down to here, Let me see. That's good. Tools used. 162 types of fake job. Cost of companies. Okay. So let's see if this works. Give me a second. I'll do. I haven't done this actually in a while, so that works. Let's see. That's good. That's good. Okay, cool. Let's see how much is legible. Let's pump this up so it's actually seen by chat. So that's huge on my screen, but at least it shows it. Also, the only thing wrong with the FERT bullet is it has 2 sentences. It also doesn't have your languages. So yeah, the thing wrong with it, weirdly enough, this is actually your weakest right here. The others are solid, and you just need to make them 1 sentence. So these are the 2 that I would change. Let's see. But yeah, Bart, did you want to know where you are? What day did you apply? That's actually a good way to know, is if I can tell you which ones it'll be. Man, I'm so sick. My brain is, I got that real bad brain fog. I think even if I didn't have a cutoff of 2 hours, I would probably still only do about 2 hours today. So that kind of works. So, all right, full info. That's fine over there. Watch streak. Oh, cool. Three stream watch streak. Don't remember like a week ago where like watching your work. Cool, thank you. Here, Bart. I will whisper you. Don't put this in the actual chat. Oh, you have block whispers. That's fine. Yeah. Let's see. If you did it like a week ago, it maybe usually there's like a 3-week delay to go onto YouTube, so it's about like a week or 2 delay after you submit it. Last week I didn't have as much, so. Instead of this, right, I think this is a weak sentence that could be better, Frozen. Honestly, Puck, I don't know. I don't actually know. Oh, yeah. You have to go to your privacy settings and then do it. I don't actually know how that works, but, so... I know this is terrifyingly bad. I didn't use Twitch as much until I started streaming, and I still don't know. So... This one really just needs, like, migrated multiple-agent web applications to React framework using, right? And then you can do X, Y, SQL, or X, Y, Z, and SQL queries, right? To handle millions of rows of data where I implemented new backend Spring endpoints to retrieve. So this is how I would like you to write this, Frozen. Sort of like this, but I think I spelled stuff wrong. So migrated multiple pages of web applications to React framework using X, Y, and Z and SQL, or X, Y, and SQL. Maybe instead of Z, you put SQL. Where I, make sure that's grammatically makes sense, because right now my grammar is not going to make sense, because brain no worky. So that is what I would change on that one. Again, the others, you're gonna have to change it. I would just switch to my formatting, here, gosh, my head. Okay, templates. Do I even have this? So, and then we can work on the other one, but the rest of yours are pretty good. Hunter.org. So we go here, template, this template, switch it to this template. Okay, cool. This is the template I want you to use, okay? The other sentence we're probably going to get cut off, but we need to fix this. You have the right idea, which is, so you can just say, worked with a team of senior developers to resolve bugs and features using Jira, Git, and Scrum. We'll have to, after the ad, we'll work that one. So... brain stopped working. My brain stopped working. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Whisper. Got it. Okay, email here. Just don't put it in the main chat. I don't want to have to delete it again. So, wow, that ad, it said an ad's coming. It's not even here yet. No, no, not my email at myemail.com. I wonder if that actually is an email. You know, somebody's probably got that email. I wonder if they do. Yeah, I bet somebody actually probably has it. It said there's an ad. There's the ad. Okay. Ugh. Do 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 do. I cannot speak Spanish. I wish I could. This sounds neat. Alright, there we go. Oh, we might get to it today. It will be the first one of episode 60. Okay. Let's make sure I don't copy that. There we go. Yeah, neat. Okay. That ends. Just did that one. Okay, cool. All right, so we are back. Bart, you are going to be the first resume of episode 60. So right now, the next resume after Frozen's is episode 58, and there's about 5 to each. So there's a small chance, probably not going to get it this stream, but definitely tomorrow's stream. So, yeah, you're in episode 60, which should be being filmed tomorrow. Alright, so specifically with this one, I need a little bit more. I think this is a good one, which is worked with a team of senior developers to resolve bugs by doing X in Jira, the Scrum meetings, and then you can put Scrum meetings where they would review my code and offer feedback on how to X it, because I don't actually know what you did. The day I go to the office and can't watch. RIP. Okay. Looks like I'm in work from home tomorrow. I might be able to do yours out of order. There's a way for me to do it. So it's going to look real weird on the video, but that's fine. I can do it for you. So, okay, got it. No worries. Then I will do it normally. Just go to the, let's see, after, yeah, it should be about there. So I'm thinking I've already got videos up till, should appear next week or the week after, but I will be doing it there. So this is how I'd like you to change it, Frozen, to something like this, which is worked with a team of senior developers to resolve bugs by doing X in blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Here your live chat. Perfect. Scrum meetings where they would review my code and offer feedback on how to exit. Again, you're gonna have to change that yourself because I'm not a coder. I don't know if that's correct. That would be along the lines of what I want to see. So that would be how to do it. Oh shoot, this is an actual senior Java engineer. It's actually a nightmare to search for Java engineers. Cool. All right, perfect. So now I have to do some digging for a Java, like actual Java. The problem with searching on LinkedIn for, wrong button, LinkedIn for Java engineers is you keep getting JavaScript and it's hard to specifically search for Java. So let's see if I can actually do this. Java software developer or software engineer, whatever. So this is, they wanted a senior one. All right. Let's see. Understanding of object-oriented programming. OOPP. Is that what that was? Weirdly enough. So, obviously, this is going to be Java. I forgot the ones for Java. I got an interview after I updated even the basis suck that you did in the videos. Nice. Yeah, it's really shocking how... I was about to say how good I am, but that's not what I wanted to say. It's a lot of the... I know how recruiters work. And I know how especially internal recruitment works as a function. Like, I know what they look for and how they think. I know the psychology of other recruiters. So when people say like, oh, you don't know all recruiters, I'm like, of course I don't know all recruiters, but I know how we think. I've developed tools for us. I know what we think about. And I know how it works. And I know what we're looking for. And I know what falls through the cracks. Because I've had to make tools that counteract that. So, you know. But yeah, it's mostly the basic stuff. And I think the large part of that is primarily because people, and I mean, y'all have probably heard me say this, they get the wrong idea of what a resume is, right? They think a resume is to show your skills and to show that you're a badass, but that's not the case. The resume is specifically just that you meet the bare minimum qualifications to go into an interview. Because every time a recruiter thinks that they like can tell the direct skills of a candidate, it's usually not the case. I mean, we get hints, and I can kind of like understand like, oh, I think the manager will like this, or oh, they're gonna do like this, but you know, I can't tell them what kind of code they're gonna do. I don't know how to judge if a code is good or not. So, you know, and that's where a lot of people get hung up on. Even other recruiters, they usually will not succeed if they start thinking like that. See, this is a problem because it's saying this is such a nightmare to do, specifically Java. There it is. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Gosh, I still have JavaScript. Especially because everything is moving as primarily towards full stack. JTM, HTML, again, that's API, DevOps. I'm trying to think of the ones that I want here. API, REST, J2E we have, XML, JSON. Let's do senior. Is there a better way to search specifically for Java? Can I do just Java? Because this is going to pull up like full stack, and I don't want full stack. Backend. You know what? Backend, maybe. I could do backend. Okay, let's redo this. Ruby on Rails, TypeScript, React. I don't know if that's going to be correct, but I do know that cloud is definitely going to be there. So, is there other cloud platforms besides AWS, GCP, and Azure? I don't know. I'm actually asking. I haven't really seen one or heard of them. So, I don't actually know. There may be. Oh, here it is. So, Kafka. We have TypeScript is pumping this year. APIs already done. Oh, gosh, my brain. Figures I do the one type of software engineer I have to do real looking at for. Okay, cloud we got. Git, Kafka. Kafka seems to be pretty important. So I think I can move this over here. We have SQL. We have the cloud. We have CI/CD. We have Scrum, Agile, Kanban. Agile, I needed to add. C is so much easier. I wish they would have said .NET, but like, look, this is gonna pop up because they said JavaScript. APIs, RESTful is one. RESTful, which I think it's RESTful API, right? API, is that right? Software engineer. Okay, let's try instead back-end developer Java. That might go better. Entry-level software back-end, software engineer back-end. Okay, this will be a little bit better. Python, Flask, Next.js, React, CSS. That's a bonus. What we'll love. Jeez. Like, I was helping my other friend who's a really successful Java engineer, like, search for stuff. And it's just a nightmare to search specifically for Java. Because it used to be the hotness, and now it's all full stack. I don't know why. Rust. Java developer. Perl. Java. Technical mixing. Perl. Java qualifications. Such a nightmare to find Java. Sorry. Normally this doesn't take me too long, but this is just a nightmare. It's always so darn hard to find Java. TypeScript. Kotlin. Kotlin's one. Kotlin. That was one I know was. And then we have, oh, what's that one? Kubernetes, I think, was one. Kubernetes. Yeah, REST API, Rust Go. Okay, I think this is good enough. Requirements, but not requirements in Rails. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good enough so I can move on to the next one. Oracle and IBM, maybe. I haven't seen them a lot. So hard to find pure Java. Like, when I first started out, like, if you found a Java engineer as a recruiter that would work with you, you struck cold. Now it's not the case. So, see, that's right. All right, let's actually pull up this person's resume. Okay. The writing page is there. This is legible. Is this legible? What does this look like? Nope, I forgot to put this off. Okay, and then let's go here and here. Is that might be cutting off a little bit, but I think it's still a little more legible. Oracle, yeah, you know what? Maybe Oracle, but I think these are going to be the primary ones for now. I'm not super confident with it, but we'll see. All right, I've been having a hard time getting responses back, but I've heard it's slow hiring season at the moment. Would love to verify how readable, attractive my resume is for software engineer positions. Okay. Is that good? That's good. And away we go. And then I have to do this creepy little smile for the thumbnail that I hate because I feel absolutely disturbed when I do it, but I have to. So, it gets the views. Help me, please. I hate algorithm. All right. For the last resume of this video, we have a senior software engineer that is specifically a Java engineer. Thank you for telling me what you are. You have about 100-to-1 ratio, which isn't good, but again, most of that was probably November, December, and those ratios don't count during November, December because they're such a madhouse of recruiting. But I do know specifically for software engineering right now, full stack is the hotness. I don't know why it is, but it is, at least at the time of recording. It used to be like when I first started tech, if you know, Java engineering was the thing, and now it is full stack. So for Java specifically, maybe these aren't going to be all the keywords, but they're going to be a lot of them, which is going to be Java, J2E, Spring, Spring Core, JavaScript. I know that's not the still kind of full stack. That's why it's in there, JavaScript. Cloud, SQL, any type of cloud, any type of SQL. Kafka, Rabbit, MQ, SQS, RESTful APIs, Next.js, Nest.js, CI/CD, Scrum, Kanban, Agile, Rust, Kotlin. Did I say Rust twice? Rust, Kotlin, and Kubernetes. So those are going to be it. Those are going to be the primary ones. Doesn't necessarily mean you need to have all of them, but I would say you need definitely to have these. Also, don't bold them in your resume. I'm just doing this to make it more legible. I'm trying to think, and then probably maybe if you have any like AI or anything like that. So, but I would say Java, Cloud, SQL are going to be the big ones. So, formatting wise, this is kind of tough to read. What font is this? I have no idea. Okay, I think it is Arial. That's good. All right. So, education. Right, you do actually want this up at the top. So, you have too much bolding, which makes it hard to read. People bold everything here, and it's so much tougher to read. So this should be at the top after your starting information, after your contact information. After the contact information, in addition, this needs to be 2 lines. Okay, no more than 2 lines. It is beneficial, even as a senior, to put this here. Companies look more favorably if you have a CS degree. So these should be at the very top. They should only be 2 lines total, so it just quickly shows. And then let's move on to this. Enhance integration testing coverage by advocating for demo roles tailored for Spring Boot. Spring Boot might be one. I think it's, yeah, Spring is, right? Well, Spring Core, but I'm assuming they're around the same. Hopefully. But at no point in this do I know that you are a Java developer. Yes, people are going to be like, well, Spring is like, cool, I'm a recruiter. I don't know, I cannot code. Redesigned 5 large client-facing reports by optimizing Hibernate queries caching for data tabs. Nope, again, I don't see anything. Converted local server to AWS, that one's good. Increasing email delivery rate. Build local site to mock AWS. So, your keywords are off. JavaScript is fine, you have it. Git is one. I don't know if I put it there, but Git is a keyword. So yeah, here's the thing. I have to go all the way down here before I get to Java. You said you're a Java engineer. If you are a Java engineer, you need to show dummies like me that you are a Java engineer. You need to pump them in every job. You need to say X and, this is Java. So I'm still sick. So, but yeah, I don't know if I can move forward with this, especially because right now Java engineering is not hot. So I don't think I can move forward with this. Most of these keywords are not going to matter, and your formatting is off. I don't know if you need to completely redo all of this resume. You need to redo some of the formatting. There's too many italicized. There's too much bolding, and the actual keywords I'm not finding. Because remember, these are going to be the keywords. Primarily in this case, it's going to be Java, any type of cloud, and SQL. I don't know if can I even find SQL? Yes, SQL's down there and down there. That wouldn't fly. The managers would not like it. So yeah, I need more. I need way more. This wouldn't work. You're probably gonna have to redo so much of this. So again, education should be up top. Before work experience, unless you're doing a management role. If you're going into lead stuff, I know because senior engineer can be a little bit different. Some people want you to actually lead others. Others, it just means you're the subject matter expert. Really going to depend on the type of job you go to. But I don't see enough keywords in here to move you forward. I barely see any keywords. And tech, in particular, is very, very, very keyword based. So the formatting is off and the keywords are off. So I'd have to fail you for this one. I don't think I can move you forward. Unless there's something here that a manager specifically asked for. But as a general rule, it would fail most of the job descriptions I've seen. So you need to add it with these keywords. Please use the actual template I have and resubmit. Or stop on the channel. I can tell you a little bit more too. But right now, it's not going to fly. So I don't like ending on bad notes, but again, I'd rather this be the harshest review you ever got so that you can start getting jobs more. And I can tell this is also because you're having struggling to get interviews. So I'm the Headless Headhunter, and I review resumes. Keep them coming. I like doing this. Sick brain, not able to end video. Okay, end video, go bye? I guess be a full stack. I guess because of full stack, you can do both Java and front end. I mean, I think it's because they fired a lot of their team and they want someone to do both jobs. I don't know if that's true, but that's my theory. That is absolutely my theory. I don't know if that's accurate, but that's what I expect. So. Because yeah, it full stack was like okay in the beginning, and again, this was like 10 years ago. It was Ruby on Rails and Java backend. That was like the hotness. If you had those, you could get interviews with almost anybody. And then I don't know when it changed to full stack, because I have no idea when it changed to full stack, but it's definitely now is the volume of full stack roles versus back end roles in particular. My guess is its companies are starting to view. I mean, look, there's a sad truth in business that unless you are the actual person that generates money, you are always going to be a cost, and IT is technically a cost. So is recruiting. So they want to make sure that they don't have to pay that kind of thing. Did I turn this on? No. So I think they're trying to go leaner. And by that I mean lay off some of their developers so they can do both. But that's a theory, a recruiter theory. I don't know if that's true. I'm just guessing. Okay, what is this? If we have two positions in the same company, do we write it separate in the formatting? Honestly, if it's at the same time, I would just do here. Like, if it says, if this was it, right here, I'm just copy pasting what this would look like. I would just do like recruiter. Oh god, that took out all of that. Information. Oh, this is a bad one. So let's do. You can just do like recruiter slash, manager or something, right? Or recruiter slash software developer. Something like that. If they're at the same time, if they're not, then you can kind of write it like one position. Again, this is going to be resume specific of how long you were there and what your duties were. So, really going to depend on that kind of thing. What did my fiance text me? Okay. That is okay. That was a water bill. Which honestly, most questions are going to be, it depends. Which I hate. I hate saying it depends for everything, but it's going to depend based on almost everything. Except for your contact information. That's always going to be the same. I don't know what accent I'm slipping into, but EAD, I don't remember that visa type. Okay. Help desk, tech support. Do I have that saved? I don't. Okay, man, y'all are making me do research this day. It's always when I'm sick. I mean, I think I basically know this one. I don't want to do it by heart because I'm going to go into video and then I'm going to be, like, completely wrong. That is a cool picture. Let's see. LinkedIn, this is help desk IP support. Help desk IT support. Never trust my grammar. That is the one thing people should never trust from me. High school diploma. Yeah. Let's have training. Acquire skills. This is not. That's not a job description. That's okay. Here we go. We're gonna do. I know it's gonna be also 365. Then we're gonna do installing support. I forgot what these are called. Stop making me do work. Windows, Microsoft Office research. Resolve problems. Knowledge of PCs, printings, and network. I'm trying to remember the actual one that I hear, which is like installing something. Systems, hardware, networks. Yeah, systems, hardware, networks. This is going to be sort of systems, hardware, networking, customer service. Technical knowledge. Come on, there's a It's gonna bug me once I see it. It's like, I know what this is, and it's the tip of my tongue, and I can't say it. Qualifications: power management, lineage in the segment, supporting standard desktop labs, hardware, software, peripherals, hardware, software. It's gonna be like installing and Microsoft Active Directory. Active Directory. Oh my god. Windows. I did this twice. This is how I'm tired. Alright. What? Here it is. Supporting, troubleshooting, configuring. And then we're all okay. That was the word I was looking for. And then Windows, Linux, Android, whatever. Excuse me. All right, now I can actually do this. Whoop! Click wrong button. All right. Well, we have an ad in like 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna sit here quietly until it comes. Not really quietly. I can keep looking. Shell programming might be useful. Really depends. Can I snooze? Do I want to snooze this early? Can I? Should I? Should I? Alright, let's snooze it. I don't want people to come in at an ad. So. Ugh. Hate sinus issues. Alright. IT support. What are they doing? All right, I am reviewing a IT help desk support. There's a couple of names for this. Help desk IT support. This person has applied to, their ratio is 150 to 1. That ain't good. They did say they recently went to the US and they had to wait to get their EAD. I don't know enough about the EAD to know how that would affect your chances. So, but what we're going to be looking for as help desk, and this is going to be, you're not going to need all of these. I want to be clear. It's very rare that somebody will have all of these, but essentially you're going to need Microsoft Office Suite, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you know, that thing, 365, which is technically Outlook, but the word 365 for some others, installing, support, printers, networking, systems, hardware, software, networks, customer service, troubleshooting, configuring, Active Directories, Windows, Linux, Android, and shell programming. You're not going to have all of those. That is okay. You just need some of that. What we're really going to be looking for is that you can, again, talk to dummies like me and be like, hey, Lee, the reason the sound isn't working is because, did you check to see if the volume was on? And I said, no. And then you remote into the computer and you realize I clicked the wrong button. That's going to be your job. So you can't yell at people like me. Unfortunately, that is what they're going to be looking for. So if you like these types of videos, please sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It very much helps me out. And let's begin. So, detail-oriented tech savvy, okay. You do, I don't know. So, summaries are usually not needed. If you're a manager, like a high-level manager, a summary can be beneficial, but for non-managers, which is also called IC, so individual contributors, usually not very needed. So, you do have the right keywords here, but because they're not in bullet points under jobs, they don't count, but you do get make-believe points for having the right ones. Communication, commitment to holding country culture, troubleshooting technical. See, these are, if these were in bullet points, sorry, not the first one, the first one doesn't matter. If these were in bullet points in this, they would count and those would be phenomenal. So, resolved IC support requests from employees via phone, email, and help desk tickets. Good. Gathered and analyzed data to diagnose problems with computer systems. Not good. That second part doesn't matter. Yeah, so also, I need okay, I'm wondering if this is going to keep going. So, still sick, by the way, so my brain is like, bleh. Provided escalation support for end-user technology incidents, implementing timely solutions. Okay, but how? Right? Like, here's what I want to know, and I assume this is going to be the issue throughout the entire thing, is the primary way to make a bullet point after the first under each job description is, again, going to be what, which is the keyword or qualification, how, which is how you did it, and why you did it. Provided escalation support for end technology incidents, implementing solutions. You did not tell me how or what. You only told me why. That is why this bullet point doesn't work. What I want to know is provided escalation support for installing, let's say, Microsoft Active Directory management, Excel and Word to people's computers using Jira as our ticketing system or something. Yes, actually that sentence would probably not work because it doesn't make sense to the people who know it, but that is how I want you to structure your sentence. And look, install new software and hardware drivers and updated existing ones as needed. What kind? What kind of software and hardware? Did you install Microsoft Windows? Did you install Linux? Can you install Linux? I don't know. Can you install, what did you do? What were the drivers? Were they sound? Were they printers? Because these are specific and you're not, broke it. These are specific, right? And you're not showing them here. Again, manage configurations and granting users access to remote data. Supported end users with Office. What do you mean you supported them with Office? So your biggest issue, besides truthfully this, which is going to be a summary bullet point, and this is just in the first job, is that I don't know the what, the why, and the how. Or the what, the how, and the why. Technically, the order doesn't matter, but I do need to know the what, keyword qualification, the how you did it, and the why, which is why you did it. And right now, you're only showing me the why, which is why these do not work. So, logged all service requests and updated tickets needed. Cool. What did you use for that? Did you use the ticketing system? Why did you do that? You just told me the how for that, because you logged all. So, none of these bullet points really work together. Manage Exchange and Microsoft is ensuring seamless email collaboration services. Okay. Perform troubleshooting, maintenance, computer system, network issues, resolving technical problems efficiently. Like what? What kind? What kind? You're so close. So yeah, I don't... this is really going to depend on how rare this skill set is. But since it's largely entry level, give or take, I would definitely don't think you'd be moving forward. Education. Also, this should... I don't know how your visa affects this. I don't remember what an EDA is, I'll be perfectly frank, because I don't know if I've ever recruited for that, but education usually is up at the top. If you do have your work visa, you do want to make sure that you state that. That is the only reason I think you'd want a summary, is saying, you know, I am on an X whatever, the company does not have to do anything different, right? Just treat it as a normal X or Y, whatever that is. So, but yeah, it's... none of these bullet points work. I don't think any of them. Yeah, like this one. This is so close, right? Provided tier 1 and 2 technical support for clients and staff, addressing a wide range of technical issues via email, phone chat, live chat, and help tickets, such as installing, printing, blah, 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 blah. And this also should be the very first bullet point of this job. So that is why I don't think it can move forward with this, is your bullet points don't give it enough. I would probably be like, yeah, they have it. And the manager would be like, no, they don't, and decline. So let's move on to the next resume, please. Again, how you do bullet points is what, how, and why. Those three things are needed in every bullet point, with the exception of a summary bullet point, which is under each job, and that is the first one, which also this should be the summary, so this should be moved to this part. Let's go to the next one. I am Mr. Sniffles. Fear me. Good. Alright, I need a break to play Marvel Rivals. I know we're not doing a ton today, but I still need it. I still need it. Might just take a break for the rest of the thing, because Oh man, my brain is fried. But I will still use this as the office hours. Whew. Is it not loading? There it is. Okay. Pause. We're going back to this. And I'm doing this because I could tell my brain was turning to mush, and I want to make sure I actually give actionable advice. I don't want my advice to just be like blur. But I still want to do the full stream time. So. Whew. Jeff is just the absolute cutest patootie. It does seem like the world is picking up hiring. I do wonder how long it's going to last. Because, again, the big thing is not if January through March is a boom, it's how big of a boom. And it seems to be pretty big so far, but we'll see how long it holds. I mean, it's really how many recruiters are going to be hired, because that's a good metric of it, brain. Whew. So.
The right heroes could make all the difference.
I'm not a hero.
Moon
I'm
Knight.
the Punisher.
Adam. Warlock. Let's see, who should I be? We have him.
You don't
I feel like
have to be
she's a good
witch
one.
to find the magic in this world, but it does help.
Let's see.
Round one.
Oh, Jeff. We love our little shark.
But only if it survives this chaos.
Man, everybody has been... Did Groot get a buff?
Groot, you know just what to say.
Whee.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area. We must regroup with the rest of the Guardians. The Collector must be stopped. You don't have to fight alone.
Oh no, please don't hurt me.
Duty is now to protect this place.
Oh, they want to fall back. Who's that? That is the healer. Yeah, we fall back if healer wants us to fall back.
May Khonshu show you mercy.
Okay, we back up.
Chaos control.
Okay. Oh, I hate these little venom things.
The moon haunts you.
Oh God, he got
So many
everybody.
of them.
Is there any way I can save this?
A disappearing.
Oh God. Okay.
Priceless Egyptian
I tried. Was pretty good though. I actually did a lot of work there.
I won't make the same mistakes again.
Dang. It's just a war between two Moon Knights. That seems to be what it is. Both Moon Knights vying for control.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks. Better stop that vehicle.
I need help. Please, Jeff. Please. Well, that was uncomfortable.
My work here is not done.
Alright, tank is down, tank is back. Ah! Okay. That kind of scared me, I'll be honest.
Be right back.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Better stop that vehicle.
Okay, that...
They've made
I need to ulti, but I don't know where. Oh, wow. Okay. That guy wrecked me. I don't know if Groot is the right choice. Everybody picks Groot. Well, he's good. I just don't know. Ah, there's the Magneto. All right. Oh no, that's quite a bit of them. All right, we're backing up.
Anyone know a healing spell? That's best.
no chance to stop them.
Can I? Oh, this was too early.
I'll patch you up. Timely aid. Behold the god of thunder!
He just landed on me.
They hit the checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Gosh. All right. Okay, gonna wait for our tanks.
It's now or never.
The moon!
Okay, cool. Can't live.
Feast for my crows.
Is there anybody I can pick here who would be beneficial? I actually don't know.
Don't give them another itch.
Has been
Or
removed
else.
from play. One of Moon Knight's unks.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Ugh.
The current score is 0-3.
0 to
Time
3.
to switch things
More
up,
like,
including which
yes?
side you're on.
would a tank
You
work
don't
here?
have to be a witch to find the magic in this world.
Maybe
But it
would.
does help.
Yeah, I
You'll need
think
a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm here to finish the fight that my
maybe
father
Penny
began.
Parker.
I hope I make him proud.
Round 2.
The web of life and destiny is fragile.
Ugh, I
Someone
really
has to
hate being
protect
the
it.
tank. Yeah. Climb, climb, climb. Waha! Climb, climb, climb. Waha!
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Did I ever tell you that I read, like, know that even in my absence, I helped inspire the next generation of heroes.
Yeah, they were my grandpa's. He thought you were the bee's knees.
Or the next
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
You're up, little one.
See, do we have a healer? We do. Okay, good.
Systems restoring. Mine's in place.
Well, that was still something.
I'll patch you up. Armor packed here. Hey,
Don't count us out yet. You're up, little one. Time for some fireworks. Spider scanners located in Mars. Powering up.
Nope. And we heal.
Time for some fireworks.
hostile forces incoming.
This may have been a bad idea.
The moon haunts you.
Time
Oh,
for
maybe
some
not.
fireworks. You've got my back?
Us against the world.
Mine's in place. It's spider time!
Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Your powers are my power.
Double
Ready
kill!
for another go, spider?
What? No, I wanted to go.
Whatever that honk was, it's on now. You're up, little one. This is gonna hurt.
No, 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 no. Ah, dang it.
Don't count us out yet.
Props to the other tank. He is doing what he can. Okay, Jeff is there.
Okay, you're up, little one.
Missed. Come on, come on, come on, I got you. There you go.
Only half unleashed! Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Alright, good, we got it. Oh, I'm gonna die. That's fine. It is okay. I did my duty. And now that I got that, I can switch to no one.
Judge, jury.
Because this person is doing what they can, and they are Venom, and we need that bonus.
This is gonna hurt.
Us against the
You know
world!
what to do, spiders? Time for some fireworks.
No. I think this is... I think now we switch to Hulk? Yeah.
I'm not Hulk. I'm
Get that vehicle moving again!
The moon haunts you.
your powers.
Oh, okay.
Stay right there.
Okay. We are doing it. Okay, we're fine. Oh god, what happened? Where? What? Whoa, where? How? Who? Why? Okay. Alright, we're good. We're good. We are good.
The moon haunts you.
Only 60 seconds left.
I'll take all the healing I can get.
I'm hulking.
Us against the world.
Puny god! I hit the clone, didn't I? Yep. Cool. That felt bad.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Cool.
The moon haunts you.
Alright. We're just, chilling behind this thing. Oh god. Excuse me. Okay, I'm now hiding. I am baby.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
Oh no! I forgot the frisk Q. I'm back with green tea. We gaming now? Yeah, we're gaming. I'm too tired. I might do another resume or something, but I may just game for the rest of the stream. My brain is like mush, and I don't want to. My biggest fear is giving bad advice, especially if I'm tired. So I don't know. I may do more today, but.
So close. This is your big chance.
So I did, yes, I did. So now I have an actual gaming PC. Oh god. Ugh. Oh, we're so close. You having to play less intense? Yeah, I mean, it was. I could barely play chess on that. It was a laptop because I originally didn't, have it to game. So,
Final score.
but yeah, I can now play actual games. It is a new PC. I don't know if I can play them at like the biggest, bestest forever setting, but
Well,
you know,
can't expect to win them all.
I can still do it. Yay! I did the best. Wait, why was this it? I didn't even kill anybody with this! Oh no, I killed one person. Alright, I don't need to see that. I don't think most anyone's hardest plays are the highest setting. That's fair. Can't give it myself. Poor Jeff. Jeff tried his hardest. Yeah. Oh. But yeah, what games are you playing? Because now I can actually play stuff. I mean, my home computer could too, but before it was a laptop, so now I can actually do stuff and stream. Because like before, I was like, all I need this computer was to like stream Excel, which you don't need much for Excel. Don't really need much for Excel at all. So.
tear through the cloudless
If I want to be Moon Knight, I like, no, Squirrel Girl.
Nuts and kick butts.
Yeah, Squirrel Girl. Spider, oh, this person may want Squirrel Girl, so I will give them
tear through the
Squirrel.
cloudless night, just like the moon.
You can do it, Smokin'. I believe in you. I will give you that. Y'all, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, my other computer, I need to beat Cyberpunk. I'm like so close.
Guides me.
I know about Marvel, to be honest, but he likes Squirrel Girl. I don't know like the ton about Marvel, because like the last actual comic I've read was like when I was 8. But the game's very fun, and I really like the art for most all of the characters. Except the Punisher. He's kind of boring. But, and I guess Moon Knight, because Moon Knight doesn't change his outfit, and Moon Knight already looks cool. But everybody else, I like the art. And Storm, because you can't make Storm look bad. Storm's just awesome in every media she's in. But I really like their interpretation of all these people. I mean, maybe they're in other comics. I don't know. I haven't really read comics. Like I said, since I was like 7. So yeah, if I'm going to read comics, it's probably manga or webcomics. Yeah, or something else like Image, you know? Oh god. So, I don't think I... Oh. Why am I here? I should not be in the middle of the fight. That is not my job. Doing so badly here. Like I actually read like Invincible ages ago. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. This is the right character. I was just really bad with my position. Like, there's also a comic that I want to read called The Pedestrian, where I don't know much about it, but the guy has the power of, like, crosswalk signs. That's, like, all I know, and it just seems so bizarre that I want to read it. So, because that's, like, one of those, like, I'm sorry, what? Wait, I killed them with my E? I didn't even know you could. I didn't know that was a thing you could do. I didn't know my E could actually do damage.
That feels better. Armed and dangerous! Again!
Oh, that's gonna be bad. Yeah, this game is real pretty. And I think it's not just like graphics, but it's the actual style. It's like the characters just ooze style. Like every single, like I said, most every single interpretation of characters I've seen is just phenomenal.
By the eye of
Trying to think of who isn't cool. Punisher and... Oh, you know what? Punisher and Winter Soldier are kind of boring. But beyond those two... They're all the others are good. So... Oh, we used our ults poorly. Ooh, that's why that happened. How bad am I doing? I'm not doing the worst, but I'm not doing well. Oh, I guess it's our Punisher. It's fine, I've been that. I've really got to get a good sniping position here. Everybody's so bouncy.
This is real firepower!
Yep, got one.
Fantastic!
Running, running, running. No! Is this the right choice? You know what? I think it's Wolverine, actually. Oh, never mind. Too late. But yeah, this game's real fun. I really enjoy it. It's just it's Overwatch when Overwatch was good. So
I've carried this rage since I was born, centuries ago.
is he right?
Anyone
No,
stands
let's
in
see.
my
They're
way
all
won't be
divey.
standing much longer.
If they're bouncing back and forth with Rocket,
I never wanted to be Iron Man, but it worked out for everybody.
probably Iron Man.
Get this all sorted out. All I have to do is build her.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not
what?
good enough with Hela,
There are squirrels
so
other than Ratatoskr and Yggdrasil's branches.
oh wait, can't doesn't Storm? Oh gosh, I haven't played Storm, but she does give a team up. So Thor's a counter maker within a flickering hit screen launch barrage with enhancing movement counter maker movement speed. Okay, so alright, and then Storm movement speed or damage boost. Tornado grants movement speed and slow, damage boost and lightning. Okay, so
Be strong.
and then E is that is the E.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Armed and dead again!
Heavenly fury.
Again!
No, I'm not good enough at Storm.
Have a tail ring.
Okay, Storm wasn't a good idea.
I am strengthened for battle.
Okay, Tank's dead, but I can follow this person. Okay, who's my target? Rocket and the Shark.
Coming in fast.
One couldn't win without the other.
Damn, I did like nothing. How much damage did that do? Okay.
Their team's capture progress has passed.
Is there somebody else I can do? I think that was close to what I needed to do. Punisher.
I'm a blunt instrument. That's how I like it.
Alright, so go with the Punisher. Go here.
Going down. Armed and dangerous!
Come on.
They've almost got it.
I am Asgard's
I
might.
unleash the Vishanti's power!
Release me.
Battlefield ready again.
I'm trying to help.
God, they're everywhere.
Double KO.
Well,
But not
I did mid. Perfectly mid. And mid wasn't enough.
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
Okay. Oh yeah. No. Keep asking resume questions. I just can't look at resumes, but I can keep asking them. Or not, you know what I mean. I can keep answering them. I just can't look at another resume right now. So but I can answer the questions.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Eat nuts and kick buffs.
you'd really like
Prepare
us.
yourself. 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Actually, if it's this way, this is I gotta get good at Hella. I know she got nerfed. I gotta get good at her.
All eyes on these coordinates. The Queen of Hell betrays me. How utterly predictable.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3,
Okay,
2,
ask me.
1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Among us, Loki has cleverness and Thor courage, but only I the vision to seize the future. Usually I love spiders, but destroy this next.
Alright, so if... Whoa, boy. I will answer that on my next death.
I want your soul.
Alright. So I freelance for a client with a full-time workload. I have 2 distinct but similar job titles. Generally saying I have 2 jobs at once, even if the employer is the same. I think it would hurt to roll them into one job. I would suggest to roll them into one. And you can just do contracts. So like, you know, just 2 part-time jobs at X. But yeah, I would recommend rolling them into one.
I want your soul.
Yeah, I think you should roll them into one. Oh, come on! It almost got him!
I'll get you next time. Systems restored.
Yeah, I mean, like, as long as you're clear about what it actually is, that's the main point.
Help.
Because, like, you don't want to lie, but if you just, you know, like, you're doing both, then it's okay. Okay, where is my team?
Feels like living.
Get that vehicle moving again. Hey folks, I spotted so many things.
Find that soul.
Judge, jury, executioner!
Yeah, they're distinct, but have a lot of overlap. I started doing both jobs a month ago.
It's spider
This is
time.
even both jobs. Yeah, like, it's fine. I mean, again, the main thing you're going to be looking for is clarity of your positions. So as long as you don't, like, you know, overhype them or whatever, that's what we're going to be looking for. Okay.
This was Khonshu's will.
Oh God, where am I going? There's not only 60 seconds, right? Oh no, there's only 60 seconds. I got 1 kill. Admittedly, it was the tank or the healer, but ooh, not doing well.
There they are. I like the code.
Need to get rid of that turret right now.
You need their power.
I could interrupt you. Down to 30 seconds.
Okay.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Ugh. Yeah, I'll tweet them and send out some more if it works. Let know. Just don't get many bites. They'll be back. Okay. Yeah. I forgot what your industry is.
At least I didn't wake up in the crazy house again.
Okay, I am not doing well.
The moon haunts you!
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. I like the code.
Us against the world.
not get him? Publisher? Okay, yeah. Still a tough industry. So, although now it's actually about the time when recruitment starts picking up again. So.
Get up, my fist.
No, 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 no. Okay, you got this. You got this. Ugh.
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I tear through the cloudless night.
How bad did I
just
do?
like the moon.
Oh,
The right
terrible.
heroes could make all the difference.
Absolutely terrible. Should I be a healer? I'm also terrible at healer. I'll try Loki.
I am Loki,
Try to at
god
least
of
be healing
mischief
people.
And the king of Asgard.
Could be journalism, marketing. Okay. Yeah, I want to keep editor and/or proofreading because he doesn't specifically need to be in a publisher. Yeah, those are just tough industries right now.
Round 2.
So, I mean, it's just
It is true.
not a lot going on then. Let's see, shift. That's stealth. That's E. Okay. What is my switcheroo?
We'll
Is
be
F.
coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Oh, Loki, what mischief art thou up to this time?
Believe it or not, Doreen.
And then my
Midgard
4 is
helped
extra damage when behind. Okay.
Too grand.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
You are restored. I have many faces.
Oh, that was terrible. Right, I'm gonna lurk on some stuff. Yeah, no worries. I got like 10 minutes, I think, so that works out well.
Get in there. I have many faces.
Better stop that vehicle.
And we lost? Gosh, can I just not play
Final
healer?
score 0-2.
I'm so bad at it. Ugh.
Well,
My
you can't
teammates
expect
don't know
them
what they're
all.
playing. It's fair, we don't. Let's try this again.
The right heroes could make all the difference.
You don't have to be a witch to find them.
Anyone stands in my way, they won't be standing much longer.
I mean, if he's gonna be Magneto,
You
I
don't
will be
have to be
Wanda.
a witch to find the magic in this world, but it does help.
Round 1.
I've made my share of mistakes, but I am fighting every day to make amends.
We'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
My
My turn
Here
now.
we are, side by side once more, just like the old days.
You mean back when you used children as weapons in your crusade against mankind?
You make me sound
Alright, we're
like a
sticking
terrible
by
fool
Magneto.
like that.
Then at least we can finally.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
These are so important, their golden idols.
Feeling stronger already.
Oh, nope. Oh, I didn't press shift fast enough.
Feeling stronger already. A little help, please.
Wow. My clone beat me.
I won't make the same mistakes again.
It could be Wolverine, but I think Wanda's the right choice for now.
My turn.
Leave them to Khonshu. Leave them to Khonshu.
I disappear.
You're not going anywhere.
That's good.
They got behind you.
Thor, you ain't running. Oh God, yeah, you are. Oh my God, he crushed me. Yeah, let's do Wolverine.
Better stop that vehicle.
It takes time to grow. Moonlight.
It's like, you're not running. Yes, yes, you are. Never mind. I stand corrected. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me. Okay, that was a little too much. Let's just do Squirrel Girl. I think that'll probably be easier because they're bunched up.
Behold the god of thunder!
There's still a chance to stop them.
I'm gonna get nuts.
Check out this big acorn.
I am wounded.
Leave them to Khonshu.
They are coming from behind.
No, no.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Oh, come on, get her. She's so low. She's so low. Is that Invisible Girl? That is an outfit? Oh my
Back
God.
into action.
Alright, tank is dead, but not both tanks?
Surrender your strength.
Better stop that vehicle. They made it halfway. Stop them.
I need assistance.
Disappear.
Asgard's might!
Moonlight left an arm.
Chance to stop them.
Leave them to Khonshu.
What is... Oh.
I'd know that honk anywhere.
I got what you
He stopped them in their tracks.
Okay, we're good. Where is everybody? Why is everybody gone? Oh, they're over there.
on your toes. Here they come.
Take a minute.
healer done. Watch.
Over here. Be careful.
For mutant
Us against the world.
Leave them to Khonshu.
Time to go nuts.
beholds the god of thunder!
Nope.
Beware!
God of Thunder has beheld me,
Behold
and it is
god
very.
of thunder!
Bounding back into action.
Friends, gather around.
Man, are we gonna stop them at this? We might. Ugh, it's so bad.
Only 60 seconds left. You stopped them in their tracks.
Where do you think you're going?
Come on, get him! Get him, squirrels!
Ooh, a touch of healing. Disappearing.
I am Groot!
30 seconds.
Ah! Oh no. Well. Wow, she got all of us.
The final 10 seconds.
Oh gosh, can we stop him? No. Oh gosh, go in, team, go.
Keep fighting until we have a winner.
Nope. Oh, it was so close.
Now might be a good time to stop them.
Help, friends.
Us against the world.
Ah! Okay, Squirrel Girl, you did your purpose. They're all in a single line. Let's do this.
Only 60 seconds left.
Whee! Oh, nope.
Beholds the god of thunder!
Heavy weapons. I'm in love. I'm good to go.
Down to 30 seconds. Disappear.
God, Wanda is so in. Everywhere.
Shield up. Did the trick. Double KO.
But not today.
Final 10 seconds. It's now or never. Stop them. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Better stop that vehicle.
Heavy weapons. I'm in love.
Don't give them another chance.
I can't
I'm infantry. Judge,
reach.
jury, executioner.
Damn. I'm so bad at this game. I'm so bad at this game.
This is not over.
This is not over. Immediately gets over. Ah.
Score is
Who should I be? Who am I actually competent enough with to do stuff in here?
time to switch things up.
They have a
Including
Wanda.
Which side you're on.
I'm not a hero. I'm the Punisher.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm not anyone's sidekick. What I do is best
Let's
done
see.
alone.
I'm not good enough with Hela. I can do Scarlet Witch, but they're gonna beat me.
My order is sharp. My mind
Try an assassin.
Round 2, go!
Hawkeye and villains. They
Asgard
all
has been
fall by
invaded
my
yet
blade.
again.
Just the
But
same.
as always, Loki shall prevail.
And this just does damage.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Alright, you got this, Lee.
Do you truly believe you can stop my grand scheme?
You can do this. Believe in the heart of the cards. Your targets are healers. Healers are the targets, and Wanda, because Wanda is terrifying.
The battle starts in 5.
You can do it.
3.
Your Moon Knight is kicking your butt.
1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Well, you almost did it. That was almost. I almost was successful at winning.
Reborn once more. We get through this together. Step aside.
Alright, you just go here.
You're
Go
halfway
here.
there. Keep going.
Where are they?
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
That was kind of close. That wasn't good, but that was kind of close. Guy I don't think he was aiming for me. Alright, I may be losing, but I am knocking the healer off of them. So that is at least good.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep
And my ultimate can probably change the game. Okay, we're hiding. Alright, you're here, Lee. What do you get by being here?
The God of Thunder!
Okay, nothing. You're not good enough to do that.
double KO.
No, we're snoozing. Now, I should at least use my ultimate.
Vehicle moving again.
Alright, so, get into the back line, ulti, break them.
Against the world.
I am Asgard's might!
Double KO.
Save the world tree.
Oh, God, hi! Oh, okay. Let's see. Yeah, God, there's gotta be somebody I can do that I can't. I don't suck with.
Once more.
Gotta learn. Alright. At least I have an ultimate. I am my ultimate. That is my goal. All I'm doing and all I am is an ultimate.
Step aside.
Surrender your strength.
Take it.
Almost there. Don't turn back now. Assistance or a dagger. Gather around.
It's fine. If the healer is killing me, they're not healing the tank. Okay.
Beholds the god of thunder!
Farewell. Get ready. Here come the bad guys. What a difference.
God.
Step aside. Today we answer the cloud prayers.
She whiffed.
So close. This is your big chance.
Wow, I found somebody I'm actually okay with. Well, whatever. We got it.
Your powers are mine! The moon haunts you!
I'm back.
No, no, we don't got it. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. Come on, team. Be better than me. I'm not good. You can do it. I believe in you.
You're mine.
Be the person I can't. Okay. All right, we're waiting. Oh, no.
Destroy these unks as soon as you see them. That's better.
Beholds the god of thunder! I am Asgard!
Get that vehicle moving again. Only
Can I get my ultimate up inside?
Our adversaries gather.
against the world. We need that vehicle moving again.
Can I get in the back line?
Out of sight.
Yeah, I could have if I didn't miss that jump.
Seize our victory now!
Out of sight. Chin up. What a difference.
Okay, that's fine. As long as the healer is not on the objective.
You'll have to keep fighting.
This item seems ancient.
Our adversaries gather.
You're mine.
Beholds the god of thunder!
Ah.
I am the moon!
No, 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 no.
At least you are truly free now.
Ugh.
Final score: 2.
All right.
2, 3.
Thank you all for joining me. Let's go raid a channel. That'll be it for me today. So let's see, we're rating. I have no ideas. Somebody I'm following. Let's see. Let's do. I don't remember who this is. Let's do them. They were kind of cool. They do soldering, soldering. Yeah. Let's do that. I hope this is not a terrible one. I didn't check out this stream before. Anyway, thank you all for joining me. I'm the Headless Headhunter. I am a recruiter who does stuff and teaches people how to play games. Wow, brainly. I am sick, and I am a corporate recruiter, and I teach you how to get a job. Let's go to this one. Later, y'all.